The U.S. Supreme Court heard legal arguments today about whether states like Ohio have the right to ban same-sex marriage. Christian Hauser is here with what people are saying on both sides as we await a decision.
Jack, the hearing is over, but the debate will continue for several more weeks over same-sex marriage. Many analysts expect the decision could come down to how Justice Anthony Kennedy votes.
It was just a few months ago he held a heated town hall about same-sex marriage. And one of the panelists from that town hall was R.J. McKay.
My partner and I have been together for 17 years, are really looking forward to the day we can get married in the state of Ohio. So if we are denied that by the Supreme Court, it would be really tough emotionally.
The issue is whether states can define marriage as they see fit. The Supreme Court already ruled on a federal level the government cannot restrict marriage. Dr. Jason Lee from Cedarville University hopes the court will allow states to decide.
I think ultimately the teaching of the church needs to follow the plan of the Scripture, and so no matter what the final decision, they want to guide well and wisely. Most of the time that allows people in our culture to interact with a different voice.
Even though the hearing was today, Dr. Lee and McKay and everyone else will have to wait more than a month for the court's ruling.
We've been waiting for 10 years, so I don't think it'll be that bad to wait a few more months until we get a final decision. What would be more devastating is a decision that goes against marriage equality.
I think for churches specifically, they need to spend the time just like they would have been already, and that is trying to encourage marriage, trying to teach the Scripture and encourage people as they're just thinking about their own marriages.
Dr. Lee thinks no matter what the decision, churches will accept anyone who walks in their doors. McKay, he just wants to be able to marry the person he spent nearly 2 decades with.
My partner and I, we laugh, we cry, we live, and we love just the same as anybody else. Why should we be treated any different under the law?
Now, today's hearing is focused on a lawsuit filed in Cincinnati, but that ruling will affect all states with gay marriage bans. Reporting live, Christian Hauser, ABC 22 News.
Christian.